Today we'll learn how to use the hold order and retrieve order features on the POS system. During quick service ordering, if a customer hasn't decided what to order, or if the order can't be completed right away, you can use the hold order function to temporarily save the current order. When the customer wants to continue ordering, just tap Take Order to reopen and keep ordering. Step 1. Hold the order. On the Quick Order page, start selecting dishes for the customer. After selecting the dishes, tap Pending. The current order details will automatically move into the Hold Records section. This allows you to start taking a new order for the next customer right away. Step 2. Retrieve the order. If you need to find a previously held order and continue payment, tap Take Order. Select the corresponding order from the list, and tap Retrieve again. The system will restore all order details, allowing you to proceed to checkout immediately. Using the hold and retrieve features makes the checkout process more flexible and efficient, helping you easily handle cases where customers pause or change their orders.